heart is paralyzed, my head was oversized. I'll take the high road like I should. You said it's meant to be, it's not you, it's me. You're leaving now for all good. That's cool, but if my friends ask where you are, I'm gonna say she went down in an airplane, fried in suntan, fell in a cement mixer full of quicksand. Help me, I'm no good at goodbyes. She met a shark on the water, fell and no one caught her. I returned everything I ever bought her. Help me, I'm all out of lines and ways to say you die. My pride still feels the same. You were my everything. Someday I'll find the light. She'll think I'm Superman, not super minivan. How could you leave on your birthday? That's cool, but if my friends ask where you are, I'm gonna say she caught down in a mudslide, eaten by a lion, got run over by some crappy purple scion. Help me, I'm no good at goodbyes. She dried up in the desert, drowned in a hot tub, danced to death at some east side nightclub. Help me, I'm all out of lines and wait to see you die. I wanna live 1,000 lives with you. I wanna be the one you're dying to love. We don't want to. That's cool, if my friends ask where you are, I'm gonna say that's cool, but if my friends ask where you are, I'm gonna say she went down in an airplane, fried in suntan, fell in the cement mixer full of quicksand. Help me, I'm no good at goodbyes. She met a shark on the water, fell and no one caught her. I returned everything I ever bought her. Help me, I'm all out of lines. She got caught in a mudslide, eaten by a lion, got run over by some crappy purple scion. Help me, I'm no good at goodbyes. She dried up in the desert, drowned in a hot tub, danced to death at some east side nightclub. Help me, I'm all out of line. It's ways to say you died. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Well, welcome to another playthrough from another lesson. This is a song called 50 Ways to Say Goodbye from a band called Train. Okay. It'll be in standard tuning with a capo on fret 4. 4th fret capo. This puts us into the same key the way I play it as the original recording, which is E flat minor. Okay. So, there you have it, boys and girls. A bit of fun. Okay, don't take it too seriously, especially my singing. Okay, so I will be back shortly with part 1 of 2 lessons on this. I think I'll split this into 2, this one. Okay, because a fair bit to learn. Not too tricky, just quite quick. Okay, and there's 1 or 2 little fiddly bits in there to keep you happy, for all you people that like these fiddly bits I put in. So, thanks for watching and listening. See you soon. Bye for now.